Welcome, my friends. If you've been to this channel before, or my other channel, Your Couch Sucks, maybe you know, maybe you don't know, I did a video on a product called Ironman. This stuff really great to work on cycling clothing, jeans, t-shirts, wetsuits. Yes, it even works on wetsuits to fix small holes. It's actually under a different name now. It's called Gear Aid. I don't know if it's owned by a different company, but it's still the same great product. I got my favorite pair of jeans that have got a small hole in it, a small blowout. I want to fix those. More importantly, I had somebody ask me in one of the videos, does this stuff actually work on nylon or spandex? I don't know for sure. I have never tried it on that type of material, but we're going to give it a shot today and see what it'll do. Will it burn it up? Will it work? Let's see. All right, in the case of my jeans, I'm really not sure how I did it, but I've got a little bit of a hole near the crotch area. I want to get that fixed. I really don't want to expose myself, so we're going to use this Gear Aid product, or Ironman. That's what I still have. I've had this for quite a while, and I've used it over and over on different materials and different items, and it works real well. Don't really need a lot to be able to use it. You just need the material itself and an iron. You want to cut a patch just a little bit bigger than the hole you have, and that's what you're going to use to fix it. As you see, I've got a bunch of different ones that I've already used, so that looks like it's going to be about the right size. We're just laying it on there. And then from there, you're going to use the material that comes with it as a cover. Then you're going to use your iron on high heat, which is the concern that'll be when I'm trying to use it on the cycling shorts. But we're going to see what it'll do. Just constant pressure for about a minute or so.
1 minute later.
So we're going to pull them inside right and see what it looks like. So that's where the hole would have been, right here. And you can see if I tug on it, pull on it, can't really tell it's there. At least I'm not going to be exposing my nether bits. That's pretty good. Okay, moving on. As I said, somebody asked, will this work on spandex? I've never tried it on spandex that I can think of or remember. So we're going to give it a shot on these old pair of shorts I've had. These have been through the ringer, and actually it looks like I do already have a little bit of a hole in it. I don't exactly remember when I did that. I'm not going to work with that one. Actually, you know what? We're just going to make it a little bit bigger, and then we will work with that one. So cutting a little bit bigger. So now we got a good size hole there. I got it all lined up. What I do recommend is a product called heat tape. And the reason for that is once you get it all lined up, you can slap this heat tape on, go to the inside, everything's going to be lined up nice for you. Or should be lined up nice for you. We'll find out. So there we are. Okay, so that's where the hole is. And we're going to see if I've already got a piece already cut. Actually, I do. It's down here. And there it is. So you want to lay it out. Try to lay it out as smooth as you possibly can. Get the bib strap out of the way. And we're going to lay it over there. So again, this material is what you would use on normal product. I'm concerned this might be an issue. So what I'm going to do is I want to lay that there. And then I'm going to get a piece of material, stuff called butcher paper, just brown paper that you would get from the butcher, and you cook around it or cook with it. And I'll throw that over there too, just as an extra protection. And same thing, high heat and pressure. We're going to push and hold about a minute or so, and we'll see if it works. The concern, as I said, would be melting the spandex, discoloring the spandex, or creating an issue with the spandex.
1 minute later.
I'm going to throw a link to this product down below. I highly recommend it. It works on pretty much everything I've ever tried it on. And we're going to see about this. Okay, about a minute and a half. All right, so it looks like it's a good hold. And that spandex is hot. Get everything back the right way. Find our hole. There's our heat tape. Peel that off. And you can see the hole a little bit. But the spandex really doesn't look like it's discolored. You can see the hole, the cut of it. But it's definitely repaired. Definitely works on spandex. Great product. Links down below. I got nothing else for you. Get out and ride your bike or do whatever you want to do to enjoy your day.